going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort, and China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. Please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it is all planned out. Now I want to thank those who purchased the books Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. Remember, those books are mandatory because they show you how the world really works. And in the times that we're in right now, we definitely need to know how the world works.
Much love
To those who purchased the Three Kids books, it's time to re-educate. Also, much love to those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon. Much love. Keep it coming. And remember, the New World Order cryptos are in my Patreon. Plus, I keep you up to date with the New World Order events. And that is so important because, guys, we are getting close to that main event. And then also, much love to those who are shopping at both stores. Keep it coming. And, of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. And as I'm doing this video, we're slightly having a pullback. But guys, we know on the 4th and 5th, they need Bitcoin as collateral. So definitely the open interest should be decent. We know the Fed is not making any moves right now. Now we have Fidelity says that Bitcoin is a superior form of money. And guys, we know the banks play the Hegelian dialectic. At first, Bitcoin is dead, and then all of a sudden now it's superior. And we also have the Bitcoin network transaction volume surpasses American Express. Plus, we have Michael Saylor buys another $25 million worth of Bitcoin. And guys, you know it should say Morgan Stanley. That's right. Now, guys, make sure you're paying attention to the actual indicators. We have volume, we have Tether, we have USDC. Plus, we have the Fed. Do not forget to pay attention to the actual repo. And we have the Fed releases a new research on risk and promise of stablecoins. And guys, we know stablecoin CBDC keeps the New World Order in control. It's the same exact system they have now. It's just going to be programmable. Yes, that free money is coming, but they're going to be able to tell you what, where, and how to buy. What did David from R3 say? If you want to boost the economy, airdrop the free money, and then they have 3 to 6 months to spend it, or poof, it's gone. No more savings. And remember, the Crypto Teacher told you. And then plus, guys, Grayscale. Grayscale is still quiet. They're buying hundreds of millions of dollars now. They're off the billions. Now it's hundreds of millions. Because basically they're moving lockstep with the Fed. Don't forget, guys, the Fed is going to raise rates. They're going to stop QE. And they have to roll the money off of this balance sheet. And we know that's going to crash stocks and cryptos. That's the reason why we're waiting on this great event. Because the Fed doesn't come out and say, I took your money. It's always a distraction. The magician is about to pull off one of their greatest tricks. Now getting over into a little crypto news. And we have India back in the news. Versus a ban, no ban. Now we have India to introduce a 30% tax on crypto. And plus the digital rupee CBDC by 2023. But guys, we know all these countries are going to have their own stable coin attached to that digital yuan and then attached to that digital SDR. Remember, the Crypto Teacher wrote about it a long time ago. Now we have VanEck launches its first multi-token cryptocurrency fund. So we have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polkadot, Solana, Tron, Avalanche, and Polygon. And it's going to be listed as an exchange-traded fund, an ETN. Now we have Singapore firm uses blockchain to battle counterfeit C-word jab. And guys, this is not the real use case that we want, but either way, it's a real use case. And we see all this technology riding on the back of the C-word, blockchain, cryptocurrencies. It's all coming. Autonomous, robots, algorithms, drones. It's definitely riding behind the C-word. Now we have Solana Pay launches to expand crypto e-commerce market working with USDC. And guys, we know USDC is definitely going to be that private coin for the United States along with Paxos, especially with Paxos with stocks. So we are definitely seeing the stablecoin ecosystem starting to complete. And lastly, guys, we have the U.S. Senate slates hearing on stablecoins for February 15th. And guys who know how Congress plays the Hegelian dialectic in order to move the New World Order's agenda. The fourth industrial revolution is being built behind the curtain. Robots, algorithms, and drones take humanity out the economy while the sheep go inside the metaverse. And remember, the crypto teacher told you, because he knows. When it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. But guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books, Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book, plus the 3 kids books. It's time to re-educate. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, and not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Crypto Teacher Stock Channel, Crypto Teacher Stocks. You have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming, while everybody's sitting at home at their own stocks, the C-word, the biotech stocks, and while everybody's at home wishing they were still getting that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and you have a wonderful day. The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. You know, I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends, so therefore we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the 4th Industrial Revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save the village. Part 2. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save New York from COVID-33. Part 3. King Joshua and Grandma Tam goes to China.
It's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.